Danke bafethu. So njengoba i-Kaizer Chiefs iqhubeka ebheka ama-player from e-South Africa to all over the continent yabo. So ucoach Nabi-ke ngathi i-belief yakhe ukuthi alethe ama-foreign players especially ama-player laphana wase-Tanzania. So sokuvela ama-reports ukuthi lapha i-player lase-Ivory Coast but elidlala laphana eTanzania noma laphana e-East Africa line-price tag enkulu kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs but abanye abantu bathi hayi decent le mali le efunekayo noma efunwayo le team la edlalelayo yabo. So ama-insiders close to i-Tanzanian powerhouse-ke nane-player ne-Kaizer Chiefs sebakuvezile ukuthi iSimba laphana i-team yase-Tanzania ifuna malini for i-player lase-Ivory Coast ngoba futhi the player vele idlala naku-international laphana ku-Ivory Coast yabo. I-Kaizer Chiefs-ke njengoba i-report ukuthi interested ukuthi isayine le player yabo. Imali-ke evezwayo laphana i-10.7 million yabo. Bafuna le midfielder-ke lena uCharles bafuna-ke i-10.7 million noma sithi $600,000 ukuthi asuke laphana eTanzania eze-South Africa ku-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. So kuthiwa uNabi laphana last month-ke kuyabhiliva noma kuyathenjwa noma kuyavezwa ukuthi uNabi ama-player afocuse kuya ku-Salom odlala laphana ku-Azam FC and then-ke no-Jean Charles-ke naye ubaliwe laphana odlalela iSimba. Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa ibona iveza interest kulama players lawo wethu but-ke kuzodependa ngokuthi-ke ama-talks noma iy'nkulumo between ama-club wethu nama-player ukuthi zihamba kanjani-ke ukuthi uNabi angakwazi ukusayina lama-player wethu noma uzothola 1 for i-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. But-ke yeah sobona going forward ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoyikhipha na 10 million because i-Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi esiningi abafuni ukukhipha 10 million. Singabuyela ke story lesavela ibayi i-Cape Town Spurs beyifuna i-10 million 10 to 12 million but Kaizer Chiefs bey-offera i-4 million kuphela yagcina ingamsayinanga vele umfana waya le ku-National First Division noma ku-Mtsipes Foundation or Mtsipes Championship yabo. So lo mdlali lona kuyavela ukuthi njengoba bamthengisa ngale mali le around i-10.7 million Kaizer Chiefs kumele vele imithe ama-requirements or imithe le mali ukuthi ikwazi ukumthola otherwise-ke ngeke imthole yabo. Lo mdlali una-23 i-Ivorian international njengoba bengishilo udlala lapha wajoyina iSimba last year 2024 ngoJuly yabo wasayina i-contract ya 2 years kusho ukuthi i-contract yalo mdlali lo iphela next year nge-2026 June njengoba edlala kahle kakhulu laphana esiza ucoach wase-South Africa uDavis ukuthi afike ku-final ye-CAF Confederations Cup lapho kule competition the very same competition Kaizer Chiefs eyoyidlala next season yabo. So maningi ama-reports but-ke abanye bathi abakatholi communications for Kaizer Chiefs regarding le player leli. Abanye bathi kusase ama-early stages ukuthi iplayer lizophelela lapho ngempela kuzoya nge-Kaizer Chiefs nalama team wethu ukuthi ngempela umfana uyafika i-natural. But na into engifuna ukuzibuza yona mina or noma into engiyibuza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba ucoach Nabi ele North Africa or East Africa funa ama-players like a different even went to like Egypt uMayele awekho nama-player la South Africa good enough. Akukho la bangascouta khona wele 3rd division or ama-scouts kanti yini umsebenzi wawo ngempela because angascout ama-player khona ama-player good but ukuthi ama-platforms or ama-opportunities awanawo yabo. But-ke let's wait and see sibone ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukumthola na uCharles. Danko bafowethu.